In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore a Samsung Galaxy Prevail smartphone to factory settings. Okay? Go to Settings. Privacy. Factory data reset. Okay, if you have an SD card in the phone, then you would check Erase SD card. If not, just go straight to Reset Phone. Erase everything. And there you go. The phone has been restored to factory settings. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.